So what happens if you get 3 old men to try and fix the window mechanism in a 1948 car?
It's broad daylight and you're using a torch, yeah. That might be the trick.
All I can say, there's lots of, not even forest engineering going on here. There's lots of bush mechanics going on here. I mean, including the guy behind the camera, we've got a combined age here of close to 200 years. I mean, what the hell?
You can't ask for any more, my friend.
Lots of experience.
Unfortunately, it's not with cars.
What do you mean it's not with cars? I mean, look, you guys look very professional there. Oh dear, what did you say, Arnold? What do you need?
Now I need that big tool that
Oh.
fixes everything.
The hammer.
He needs a hammer. This is not a good sign.
Now we're going to fix it. If we don't fix it,
We need, no, BFH. You know what a BFH is? Hey? A big fucking hammer.
if we can't fix it, if we can't, if we fix
Hey, you're not allowed to talk like that. You should say beep, beep, beep.
Okay, beep, beep, beep. I like this one.
I think
Is that the one?
This is going to solve the problem.
that will do the job.
Yeah.
We'll do it then. Maybe not. Okay, I'll give you this one. There you go. Oh dear. Here we go. Here comes trouble.
First you put your finger in. That's the thing that can feel.
Here comes trouble.
See?
Beautiful.
And up and down it slides. Perfect.
Oh, well done.
Hammer fix.
You see?
Well done.
If you don't need WD-40, you need a hammer. That's all you need.
That's it.
And duct tape.
And that.
Yeah, don't forget the duck.
Between duct tape, WD-40 and a hammer, you can fix anything, eh?
Yeah.
This is a difficult part, eh? Getting all those mechanics in there, mechanisms. You've got to put it in from the bottom. I remember that now.
From the bottom.
Yeah, we took it out from the bottom.
You're always supposed to put everything in at the bottom.
Yeah, from the bottom.
Yeah.
From the bottom up.
Yeah, it's not it's not sucking.
I don't know. I think we've got a bunch of dirty old men here.
Only thing we can do is talk about it.
Yeah. So this is what you call teamwork, eh? One guy holds the light, the flashlight, one guy tightens the bolt, and another old man records the event.
How many guys does it take to change a window winder?
But I think I've got the most important job.
You got the very most important job, Gila. Without light, there's no life.
And you put a metric bolt into Woodworth hole.
Woodworth? What is Woodworth? Woodworth.
That silly, stupid English.
English car, Austin, eh? Austin of England.
Austin of England.
Austin of England.
1948.
1948.
A40.
A40.
Yes.
And then you don't listen to the man behind the camera because you don't know what's going on. This thing must fit from the top.
But we took it out from the bottom. Maybe that's why it never worked. Second try.
Google.
There's no Google for this stuff, bro.
Now,
This car's too old for Google.
this car was founded before Google was even in the thoughts.
It's what did you say, Arnold? It's a 3-dimensional puzzle.
Yeah.
Well, I can just sit here on the sideline and give you
Do
a
you
shit.
need any more hands here, Arnold?
Yes.
You need some young, nimble hands. So what do you think, Arnold? Are we having success here?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that
yes.
sounds
yes.
I
good.
think we're there. She's in.
She's in.
She's in.
She's in or he's in?
He's in, she's happy. Look. Down.
Wow, look at that. It's
Slowly,
working,
slowly,
eh?
Arnold, slowly.
Up.
Up.
It's a she. Slowly, tender.
And And the window is...
Alpha. It's not an alpha that you've got to
Okay.
drive.
Hey, the window's winding. Well done, guys. So the old man's making progress, but now they're struggling to see that tiny little hole.
It's a hammer again.
And he's got the bloody hammer again, yeah. But the door panel is back.
I think we're there. It's just for the.
Got to
For
get those
Arnold
little
to
pins in,
Try
eh?
and get that little pin in there.
And old eyes is not very good for that job, is it?
No. Okay, this is relaxing.
Us, like 3 wise men.
Three wise
What's
men.
that
Jeff,
way?
can you just clean the windscreen for us, please?
Am I the wiper?
I can't see where I'm going. Okay.
The
Thanks.
3 wise men relaxing on the F100 seat after a hard day at work.
Yeah, they-
Fixing a window winder.
Fixing an English Austin's window winder.
Quite a task, eh?
But I must say the technology was not too bad on that thing.
I couldn't find the button for the electric up and down.
Yeah, no, those things came out before electrical windows.
But yeah, I mean, in all honesty, it's actually amazing that they got it all sorted back then, eh? All those mechanical mechanisms, everything working.
Long levers, fancy levers.
Yeah. I mean, 1948, how many years is that? Can you do maths that far back?
48 is
That's like,
50 is 1
60,
year.
74 years
it's
old.
74 years.
Yeah.
It's almost as old as you.
It looks better than you are.
Doesn't look like that.
And it's still got a V8 in its bonnet. This one got nothing in its
I
bonnet.
think
Yeah, but the V8 is aftermarket. Be fair, be
You've got
fair.
more power than me now, my friend.
Be fair, eh? The V8 is aftermarket.
And he says, oomph, and it's finished.
Well, it's all English.
Except
It's
the
all
engine.
English,
No, the engine. The suspension is English,
The
Jack.
suspension is English.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The engine is American.
Engine
Chevy.
American.
Chevy.
And
That's the history you want to buy it.
yeah.
It's for sale.
It's up for sale, so by the way.
So it's going to be a bit of a problem to get it to the States though, eh?
Well, there's ships available.
But if you are in South Africa, it's up for sale, seriously.
I would think in that one state, this one should be one of the only ones in country like that.
I know, the Austin A40s are quite scarce. eh?
Yes, and
Yeah.
then I have a A70. Also, that's also the only one.
What's the difference between the A40 and the A70?
A70 was a bit bigger.
Carbon.
A40 had just over 1500 cc machine in
Okay.
and a smaller car. The A70 had a 2-liter machine in.
But so the cars themselves were also different, body-wise.
The A70 is a bit bigger than
Okay.
A40 is.
This is a left-hand drive F100. Shouldn't you
Yes.
be keeping your eyes on the road?
Make it a right-hand drive. Convert it. That's how you convert
But
to a
then you must
right-hand
keep
drive.
your eyes on the road.
Well, just get the windscreen clean.
I feel a little threatened here in the middle. I mean,
Yeah.
I know it's an F100 seat's got a lot of space, but still, eh?
Normally it's built for blondes.
That's true, you see. Normally,
Blondes in a driving.
normally that space is empty.
Empty.
This,
And I'm right tucked up next to you. I got the hair for it. I'll just turn around
And
and then I'll be the blonde.
you'll be the blonde. But now we're winning the driving. If we all can go to the driving.
Oh, dear,
oh, well done.
Where's the...
Awesome.
You're going to
There
fit
we
the
go.
airbag here.
You know,
A big condom, you
Yeah,
can
but
blow it up.
you've got the airbag. The airbag bag's just on the wrong side of the steering wheel.
You will have to put a condom in.
do you know, like,
But
really,
you
I mean,
can
really,
fly before.
on these old cars, the only airbags.
Is this airbag? Yeah.
And they are just 2 old airbags, that's all it is.
They're worth a bit of money, especially his.
Yeah, this
It cost him a lot of money.
Cost him a lot of money.
costs
That's
a lot
right.
of money to maintain.
See,
it.
I haven't got money.
No, you're poor. I'm actually kind of poor.
You
as
in the...
well.
So yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for the help with the
Ach, it's a pleasure, Gila, the walrus.
repair of the Austin. Eh?
We'll
So
sort out the
hopefully
invoice.
it's sorted.
Yeah,
Awesome.
that's it. The next move is to the George show.
Yes, are you going to take it to the
in-
George show?
in February. I'm just not sure about the date. I'm taking both Austins.
Oh, you can take both?
Yeah.
So if you're in SA, the George show, come visit us. My cars will be there as well.
It's a
Maybe I'll get Crackpot finished in time.
It's the biggest event in the country.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Yes.
You
I'll
just
be
get the
there.
date.
Support. I will get the dates here.
Okay, well, I'll take the Rogue Rat Rod for sure, and maybe even if we can't drive this thing, maybe we should stow it there. But it should be drivable. I'm sure by then.
Yeah.
It's about a month.
I'm sure Google has the dates. Uncle Google knows everything.
Yeah.
And you don't need brakes, just drive it there. It goes fast downhill and it goes slow uphill.
No, the brakes will be working soon. I'm leading it on Sunday.
Good.
Right.
Awesome.
So I'll see you Sunday afternoon at my place with this.
Maybe.
Nice burnout on the dirt road.
Yeah, it's a pity we can't do like a burnout here. But you know what? With the new floor here,
You can do a
I'm
burnout.
going to be able to do burnouts right
And then,
there.
and then you can rubberize the floor.
Yes.
Smoke it up.
So I can't wait for that new floor because then we could actually do some burnouts. That's going to be awesome.
That's good. Go, 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 go.
Anyway, thanks to fish.
Lekker man, thanks.
Yeah, good. Yo. Duffy, thanks for the help, my friend.
Okay, Gila, no problem. Thanks, brother.
We'll see each other over the weekend then.
Yes, have a good one. Cool, man.
Thanks, Duff. Cheers, mate.